Yeah, me a day of stepping forward sound. Here we come again. Rastafari. Here, give me more volume. Straight to the top. Yes, that's what I wanna be. So Rastafari. Dread Daddy Booyaka. Hear me a coming out. Yeah, this is stepping forward sound. Stepping out, stepping out, stepping out. Yeah, stepping out, stepping out, stepping out. We are stepping out. Oh yeah. We still stepping out, stepping out.
Voilà, parti encore pour une nouvelle sortie. Comme d'hab en fait quoi. Toujours avec un temps splendide de méditerranéen, comme a dit de Jonathan et de GG. Pour une bonne sortie au grand large, avec du poisson à la clé certainement. Vu que l'eau s'est réchauffée, est à 18-19 actuellement et une belle visite. Beaucoup de soleil. Beaucoup de soleil, de la bonne humeur et tout ce qu'il faut. Et de la Bretagne. Et de la Bretagne. Let's go.
Yeah, me a day of stepping forward sound. Here we come again. Rastafari. Here, give me more volume. Straight to the top. Yes, that's what I wanna be. So Rastafari. Dread Daddy Booyaka. Hear me a coming out. Yeah, this is stepping forward sound. Stepping out, stepping out, stepping out. Yeah, stepping out, stepping out, stepping out. We are stepping out. Oh yeah. We still stepping out, stepping out, stepping out. Stepping out, stepping out, stepping out. In a trailer. Oh yeah. Not bread arena. Oh gosh. Yeah, we don't bread arena. Yo gosh. We need a no one winner. Yeah, no wanna be a loser. No way. We step in with the dread. We step in with the naya binge. We are stepping with the bongo man. Me a stepping out. Oh God. So me say stepping out, stepping out, stepping out. Stepping out, stepping out, stepping out. Me a stepping out, stepping out, stepping out. In a tit relax. Oh God. Out of Babylon. Oh yeah. To the promised land. Oh God. Are we that trailer? Whether you are black or you are white, slung we are dread, slung we are dread, now we dread, now we dread. Oh gosh, not dread, now we dread, now we dread. Yeah.
Of the men who preach the devil thing. I and my brothers find no good purpose in killing one another. Where is the love in the heart of the wicked? For what reason them are run in the arms of Satan? want to know, they want to know. Gamaro was burned by lightnings and thunder. America used God to feed the whole wide world. Mercenaries and secret services, money, money, business, and no consciousness for the children of tomorrow. And crimes for power and danger and immorality. What is the rate of us is to live in peace and harmony. Tell them in the
them shower.
Wanna make the fire go on? Yeah. Me fire a go on in a Babylon yard. Me fire a go on in a Babylon yard.
Higher, higher, higher. I need you some higher, higher, higher. I need to feel like I am moving up. I need to feel like I am going somewhere. Sweet as
we are reaching Mount Zion to be free. We are reaching Mount Zion to be free. Cause we are slaves of Babylon captivity, prisoners of the largest penitentiary. We are reaching.
Le premier de la journée.
Le premier de la série de la journée. Ah, ça risque pas.
everything's going
Alors que le numéro 8, pelle de cul-carotte, casaque jaune, toque verte, s'installe pour la corde.
Ah ouais, quand même. Quelle heure?
9h20.
9h20.